What's going on, everybody? My name is Papa Walrus Man, and today we're taking Bales on a special walk. Come on, Bales, go through the bush. Jump through the bush. Look, it's fun. Ready? Yeah, woohoo, yeah, you did it. Good job, Bales. Hey, no. What are you eating? No. No, spit it out. This always happens. She finds these stupid bones in the bushes and eats them. No, Bales. That can cut up your stomach, okay? Do you understand? No bones. So I was telling Delinky that I really wanted to find a place where Bales could just run around and roam free. Somewhere that I didn't have to worry about her chasing a lizard into the woods or getting bit by a snake or just getting in trouble or something like that, or people walking by. And he told me that there is a baseball field that I need to go and check out. Alright, I think you go in here to get there. I'm so confused. Oh, there it is. There it is, Bales. We made it. Well, here we are. I see a lawnmower over on the baseball field, and there's a bunch of people everywhere, and there's a dog over there. There's all kinds of activity going on. What's going on here? Oh well. Bales, we're gonna go here. Hopefully it goes well. Hey, come here. You gotta be a good girl for me though, okay? Be a good girl. Don't need any chicken bones. All right. I get it. What do you think? Good place to poop? Good place to kick up the grass? So I'm gonna stop answering the questions that I get every single video. Why don't you pick up your dog's poop? I've never not picked up my dog's poop, and I've never showed myself walking away from my dog's poop. I don't get it. Stupid. Literally, what are the chances that the whole puppy mow crew decides to be here the one time I come? I mean, how long does it take to mow this lawn? Probably less than an hour. They got some big old tractors, right? And I just decided to come here on that exact hour, and today's a holiday. Why are you working on a holiday? You know what? We're gonna sit right here under this tree, and we're gonna wait for these guys to finish up their puppy mowing job. Bales is gonna be just fine. She's gonna be rolling around for a whole hour, huh? You're a good girl, Bales. Yeah. Bales, don't eat the grass. Hey. Alright, so they're not done yet, but I really need to point out before I forget, this dude has been sprinting around, exercising with blue jeans, a leather belt, and like a polo shirt. It's a true hero right there. So there's another baseball field just over the hill right there. We're gonna go see if there's people mowing over there. Hey, we got an open field. I don't know why I just sat there for 45 minutes. I bet you they're gonna come over here and start mowing now that I'm here. We're gonna go for the no leash treatment. Go for it, have fun. I love you, bye. See you tomorrow. I'm just gonna leave her there. I'm gonna go home and hopefully she'll still be here tomorrow. I wonder how far away she'll go from me. Usually she just likes to stick by me and stay close and sniff and roll in the grass, but I want her to go play and run around and have fun. I think what Bales needs is a dog friend. I need to find her a dog friend. I can't really get 2 dogs right now. I want to, and I'm gonna get another one soon, eventually, but just not yet. So Bales needs a doggy play date friend. She's like, no way, yo. I ain't leaving your side, homie. Well, you're the A1 since day 1. 0.5, except I was only 5 years old when you got me. So day 1 since year 5, A1, steak sauce. Bales, come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Bales, come on. Let's go. Go, Bales, go. Go, Bales, go. All right, she's way over there now, which is good. I like it. I want her to go roam around. She's not gonna be able to get out of here because there's a double fence around this whole thing. Oh, great, look. As soon as I got here, here he comes. As soon as I get here. Awesome. Perfect, right, Bales? Come here. I guess we're gonna have to just leave. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not really blaming them. I mean, they're just here doing their job, but I mean, come on, man. What are the odds? What are the odds, Bales? Bales is all excited now. Come on, Bales, go. Go, Bales, go. Go, Bales, go. I think we'll be back. I think this is a good tool to keep in my eyeballs for next time. And we can come here when they're not mowing and we can run around, have a good time. Right, Bales? Yeah, we'll be back. Sorry, Bales, we gotta go home. Here, enjoy your open window, Bales. It's an open window policy. Hey, check it out with those custom rims. What do you think? 10 out of 10.
Good morning, what can I help you? How can I help?
Hey, can I get a Southern Wapatuni Juice Bandera? Thanks. I love you. Bye. They said that this bagel just came out of the oven, so it's gonna look weird. I think it looks pretty normal. The reason I love Dunkin' Donuts so much is because it's an East Coast thing. It doesn't do well here. Like, nobody goes, but it's just so good, man. And it reminds me of basically my childhood. I used to skip every day of high school, like the first 2 periods, and we'd go to Dunkin' Donuts and we'd sit there for a couple hours, and then we'd go into school and we'd take the 1 hour detention. So we'd skip 2 hours and stay after for 1 hour. My grades suffered, but it was fun. All right, we made it home. We made it home. So I got some stuff I gotta do now. I gotta, first of all, eat this leg, and then, oh, it's gonna be tasty. Then I got some editing to do, and then I gotta clean up, I gotta do my laundry, I got all my dirt bike stuff from yesterday, and I just gotta do some general good stuff. Look, I gotta make my bed. You see this bed? This is an unmade puppy bed, and I gotta make it. And I gotta test my fire alarm. I think it works. And I gotta go and lick this Cub speaker. It did not sponsor this video, but it's a pretty good speaker. Bales, are you tired? I'm tired. So I just spent the past 6 hours editing a video. You probably saw it, it was on this channel. It was the one where I got heat stroke in the desert with the Linky and I got lost, and it was a really bad day. And wow, I just like had all these memories of that day, and it was like crazy while I was watching it, because it was a long time ago in my old house, and I was like, wow, that day sucked. Anyways, check it out. We got some packages in the mail today from Amazon, but first, does she want these? Does she want these? Go get it. No, go back there. Stay. Wait. Are you excited? Are you so excited? Yeah, that's a good bear. She loves those yums. Yums, 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 yums. Also, check it out. I got ants in my house as of today, and they're coming from in here. Let's see if we can see any. Yeah, see? But you can't really see them right now because it's dark in there. Now, the one thing that I like about renting and not owning a house is when something like this happens, the maintenance guys, they come on in, they take care of the problem, and then I go about my merry day. I'm kind of confused of why there's ants in here because I never keep any food out or anything like that. So it's kind of confusing, it's annoying. I try to keep my house really clean. I clean every single day. Like I cleaned today. Check it out. It's clean in here. I literally vacuumed and I used my carpet cleaner. Here's my proof, actually, carpet cleaner. And I don't know, I just wipe up all my messes and stuff, so I don't know what the ants are even eating. I even cleaned out my toaster oven like to death because I was all concerned that maybe they were going in there. So I don't know. Stupid ants, get out of my house. All right, now we gotta go ahead and open up the bales. Just kidding. We gotta go ahead and open up this puppy package. Bale, stay away from the knife. It's a dangerous act. So I bought a bunch of stuff on Amazon, and I got the 1-day shipping because I spent like $200 on all this stuff. Package number 1, we got this nice hose, and we got some hand guards for my dirt bike. Package number 2, we have got this thing. Oh, this is for my hose, and then this is oil for my dirt bike, and then this is, oh, this is tiny. So this is a SD card, and the oil filter is literally not much bigger than the SD card. So I don't know if I've showed you in a video yet, but I got a dirt bike and I'm excited about it. There's just a couple things that I need to do to it before it's ready to be really ridden hard. Main thing is it needs an oil change, and then it needs some hand guards because I'm always crashing and falling. And so with that, we are gonna be bringing Bales out. Does she want this one? Does the Bales love this one? Yeah. Oh, the Bales loves this one. This is her favorite thing in the world. Yeah. 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 Do you want it? You want it? Bales, come here. Yeah. There you go. There you go, Bales. Are you ready? All right, go. Go. Bye. All right, you ready? Go. Come here, Bales. All right, so check it out. Here is the dirt bike. It's a 2008 YZ450F. And it's in pretty good condition. It's got a bunch of aftermarket stuff done to it, and it's ready to ride. I've actually ridden it twice so far. I just haven't bothered to make a video of it yet. Bales, come here. And yeah, it was really cheap, only $2,500. And the only con that I would say is you have to kickstart it. There's no electric start. So going from an electric start to not having one, probably gonna suck. Actually, I've ridden the bike and it does suck. Bales, come on, let's go for a walk. Good job, Bales. You did a good job. For you, I have a foot. Sorry. So we're pretty excited about this hose right here because I've had the hose faucet outside and I've never had a hose for it. And now that I have a dirt bike and the dirt bike's always getting dirty, it's gonna be really nice to have a hose. Now, obviously I can't get the dirt bike back there, but I can get it right over that wall and hopefully this hose will reach. I bought a 25 footer. Now the nozzle that I bought is a very similar one to Delinky's, but this one just had better reviews and it was $2 cheaper. And so I figured I would one up the Delinkinator and get this one. So I got this thing all hooked up. Let's try to turn it on and see if it works. Hopefully that's not on right now. Oh, it's a leaky boy. Ooh. Alright. Check it out. I've always wanted to wash all this dirt off. You see all the dirt on the wall? It's been bothering me, so we're gonna wash it off. Oh, Biz is scared. Oh, the poor Bills. Well, my solution is I'm just gonna put this bucket right here and I'm just gonna leave it there. And then anytime I turn the hose on, it'll all leak into the bucket. Hopefully that'll be good. All right, Bills? Bills is like, yo, I'm getting as far away from you as possible. There she is. Oh, the poor Bills does not like water. No, no, no. But she jumped in the water at the lake that time. What was up with that? That was a crazy Bills. Yeah, a crazy Bills. It's gonna get a rubber chicken. A rubber chicken, Bills. Get it. The Bills is too scared. Wow, so take a look at this. We've got the Papa Pry, which is inside the lines. These are extremely tight spots. Then we got this guy right here, this lovely shenanigan master who's just like barely gonna let me get in my car. Wow. Good job, sir. But yeah, I didn't bring Bales with me right now to go eat Taco Bell because sometimes she gets a little stressful. I need a break because I know that if I get the Taco Bell, she's gonna be climbing on my lap, trying to take a bite of it the whole time.
Okay, how are you doing?
Hey, good. I'll take a Taco Quacker. Check it out. We got some Papa Taco Jimmy Association. So what I went with today was a puppy dual pack. It's basically like this Frito burrito and then a drink for $2, and then I got 2 cheesy bean and rice burritos. So I'm going to sit back and enjoy and eat, and then you gotta check it out. It's good. I'll see you later. Hello there. Were you waiting for me, Bales? Were you waiting for me? Yeah. Oh, the Bales is a good girl. Why do you got this leash on still? So I'm gonna grab my bike. Unfortunately, the only lame thing is you're not allowed to do this. There's one security guard who walks around, and it's a pretty big complex. So the chances of him walking right by my house in the next, 5 minutes or so is pretty low. So hopefully he doesn't. All right. Here's what's all gonna go down. Right in there is the hose. So I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna pass the hose over. So we're gonna turn this on, full blast. And we're gonna pass the hose over. And we're just gonna start hosing. Hi, views. I'll be back, don't worry. My main worry about this little thing is I obviously couldn't get a full air compressing power washer because that'd be like really loud. So I just got this fire hose extension. And I'm worried it won't be powerful enough, but Delinky has one and he loves it, so we'll see how it works. I'll give you an update once I'm done. I'm just gonna try and get it done really quick and get out of here. Mission success. All right, we're gonna close this garage door and we're gonna take a look. So I think I did a pretty good job. I just wanted to get the majority of the dirt off. So I think I'm supposed to like dry this thing off now. But you see, the problem with that is I really don't want to, so I'm leaving. Goodbye, bike. I love you. All right, so I think we're gonna end it there. I've been just kind of staying up so I could do that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bess, thanks for spending the day with me. It's been great. I hope next time we can go back to that baseball field and you can run around and have a good time. Maybe we can find a doggy that can come there with you. All right, well, Bess, hey, say goodbye to everybody in an American fashion, all right? Here, take this. Take it in your mouth. In your mouth. Take it. Take it. No. All right, I wanted to hold it for you. But I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in 2569.